It needs to go. Have you taken it yet?
The joy cake needs to go.
It needs to go.
I hate it. And it makes me want to throw up.
I don't think you understand how much the cake makes me want to throw up. Like,
That.
are you taking a video?
Yeah.
That cake, I just walked in after a great night of belligerent dancing
And
in
the
a
cake.
sweaty, dripping mess of people. And then I saw the cake. And I was a little bit beside myself because that cake was on my turf.
And my turf is my stomach, and my stomach's all like, that's a ninny
My stomach
monger.
is full of stuff that does not ever want to see cake.
My stomach's like, that's a ninny monger cake, and it'll make me throw up like a ninny monger, like a dirt.
If you could take care of that cake, like Andrea, she was licking it.
Ew.
Other people, they were licking the icing.
Oh my
I just don't know
God.
why the
Sicko
people in this
fucko
room
asshole.
don't want it, and other people do. Then why does it have to be in here? I mean, this might look like I'm overreacting, but it's just how I feel.